Hi, this time I would like to present to you a unique feature of 3D printing technology, which is really difficult to implement with other technologies. Why? Because this product is made from one part, but as you can see, possess two colors. With regular technologies which are well known in manufacturing area, you can produce a lot of various products or parts, but then you need to assemble it together if they have different colors, or you need to color them. But 3D printing allows you that you can print one product with two colors, three colors, maybe even. So stay tuned, because this is your daily dose of engineering and business. Beside the fact that this product is made from two different filaments, it is really great finger protector. Before I managed to print this ladybug, I had to create a CAD model in Fusion. I decided on ladybug because right now it's really trendy in our house. After I had created the CAD model, I had to change the settings of printing and select where the pose needs to appear. Because this printer possesses only one extruder, and if you want to have parts with two colors, you need to change filament during the printing time. Until now it was straightforward, but as always I was expecting unexpected. Because after the defined pause and change of filament, the printer didn't want to continue with work. Because of this, I had a separate CAD model on colors and create different codes, G-codes for each color. After the first usage at home, I have noticed that I have forgotten about safety. That's why I modify CAD model a little bit and add some radius on model. Although this was not designed as a toy, in the end I had to create two more ladybugs, because the first two were so popular in our little zoo that they didn't even fly to the door. I hope that you learn a new thing about 3D printing technology and what we can produce with it. So have a great day and bye!